Hi everyone, this is the week 10 quiz recording. I'll be reading the questions and the answer options to you. Question number 1, how did the trade embargoes and blockades during the War of 1812 impact production of textiles and other goods in America? The war lasted longer because of resentment over trade. America became more self-sufficient and new industries prospered and grew. America began to trade more frequently with Asian nations instead of European countries. Or the last option, quality dropped significantly because British machinery was unavailable. Question number 2, which was not a reason that New England became the center of the American Industrial Revolution? New England's access to the nearby state of Pennsylvania's abundant supply of coal, New England's coastal trading ports on or near the Atlantic Ocean, New England's large number of swift-flowing rivers that could produce power, New England's climate that supported large plantations. Question 3, Eli Whitney invented the cotton gin, but he is also credited with changing American manufacturing by putting another idea into practice. What was it? Speeding up production by having people work all hours and shifts, using water to power mills, using mass-produced interchangeable parts, or hiring women to work in his factories. Question number 4, what was the impact of Morse's telegraph on communication? It motivated European investors to put money into the American market. It sped up the delivery of news and information, promoting the development of a market economy. It allowed politicians within a state to prepare more efficiently for their congressional sessions, or it brought a means of rapid communication into the homes of ordinary citizens. Question number 5. Americans were looking to improve their transportation systems in the early 1800s, primarily so that they could reduce the amount of traffic on overcrowded highways, support growing immigration to the United States, take advantage of a national market economy by getting their goods to market more easily, or defend the country from a potential attack by Mexico. Question number 6, which statement best explains the concept of manifest destiny? The idea that it was God's plan for the nation to expand across the continent, the belief that fate controlled what would happen to the United States, the certainty that settlers would be safe if they traveled in groups, or the trust that political solutions were usually possible. Number 7 is a matching question. Match the name of the trail to its correct descriptions. The trails are the Oregon, Santa Fe, and Mormon Trail. The descriptions are for trade to Southwest and into Mexico. For trade to the Southwest and into Mexico. The second one is a trail leading to fertile farmland in the northwestern territories of the U.S. And the last one is to begin a religious community and escape religious persecution back east. Question number 8. Which issue caused the annexation of Texas to become hotly debated amongst Americans? Slavery, economic opportunity, immigration, freedom of religion. Question number 9. President Polk ordered U.S. troops into disputed territory between Mexico and the U.S., which led to the start of the Mexican-American War. Why did Polk want to start a war with Mexico? President Polk's cabinet was pressuring him to go to war to get more support for the Democratic Party. He wanted to defend American Sam Houston, who refused to return land in Texas back to Mexico. He was responding to actions by Mexican General Santa Anna, who brought troops across the U.S. border and provoked them into a fight in California. Or he wanted to push Mexico into a war to get them to give up California and fulfill the idea of manifest destiny. Question number 10. What were the terms of the 1848 Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo that ended the Mexican-American War? Mexico and the United States agreed to form joint patrols along the Rio Grande. The United States demanded a permanent military presence in Mexico. The United States agreed to cede territory along the 49th parallel to Mexico, or the United States received California, New Mexico, and other land in exchange for $15 million. When you're done with your quiz, please make sure to click Submit Quiz so it shows up correctly in your gradebook. Good luck.